Let's go, buddy. Time to go to your house. Time to go to your house. Look how pissed off he is. What? What? It's time to go to your house, buddy. You know that. Time to go to your house. Hey. It's time to go. I'll get the stick. Here. You know what that means. Come on. Up, up, up. Up, up, up. Come on. What? What? We do this every time, once a week. Come on. Up. Come on. Up. 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 There you go. Time to go to your house. Time to go to your house. Let's go. Time for birdies to go to their houses. Who's going to be the first good bird? Who's going to be the first good bird? Huh? Come on, let's go. Who's going to be the first good bird? Is it going to be Zeke? You going to go in your house? Going to go in your house? Come on. Jasper, you going to make him go in his house? No? You're going to chase him away. Come on. Come on. Time to go to your houses, buddies. Where are they? Where are they? Come on, guys. You know what time it is. Come on. Time to go to your house. Who's going to be first? Okay. Good birds. Jasper's over there. Zeke is over here. Zeke is already in his house. Like a good boy. You gotta be careful here because he's... Oops. He said. Okay. What about Jasper? Gonna go in your house? Wanna go in your house? Go in your house. Come on. Like a good bird. Go in your house. Go in your house. Good bird. Good boy. No, no, no. He tries to come out again. And it's dangerous because this thing will flop down. Come on, buddy. Look out. Look out. Good boy. There we go. Good birds. Sort of. Okay, buddies. Jasper's in his house. Zeke is in his house. We got everything locked up because if I don't lock it up, they will get out. Okay, buddies. That's right. And then here's what they watch. They watch the Bird Sitter DVD.